Today we got a flexible HDMI cable from my friends at Lumsing. This is priced at $11.99 on Amazon.com. I thought it was a good price. I've seen cheaper ones that were as cheaply built. This one features high quality construction, compatible with HDMI 1.4 specs. Supports 4K and 2K at 30 hertz resolution. This is model number 206-1015-1061. I have the black and I have the 2-metered one. I purposely got that small size because of what I'm using it for is just a simple short pass. These are nice because they're very thin. I love the thin cables. They just for where I use them, I need thinner actually to get to places that I'm going with them. And like I said, they have they're only $11.99, which I thought was a great price. They're 6.6 feet long, also like that also. And they're gold plated on the tips, I believe. It's hard to see it looking at them, but I'll go with it. I can't really tell by looking at mine. Maybe all of them aren't. I don't know. I'll bring up a few of their pictures. Basically, that's what you're getting. Like I said, HDMI to HDMI. This is a little bit of just diagrams, the input, output, what you can use them for, DVR cameras, DVD players, everybody, TV boxes, which is exactly what I'm using mine for. You pretty much know what you can use HDMI on. Maybe there was a yes and a no one. There's a check mark by it. It's just directional. But anyways, there it is. Well, the HD, the 3D version. So nice to know that you can expand with them. There's somebody using one on their nice setup they got going on there. There's cable length. I think you can get different cable lengths as well as thicknesses. I'm not sure. I'll go back and look in a minute. But they're 40% thinner than standard cables, which, like I said, I really like that. I have some tight spots to get into, and you can see the difference between theirs and the other guys. And the other guys usually cost more. Trust me, I have probably 30 cables at home, and this is one of my favorites and probably the cheapest. But there you go. There's some nice pictures for you. Yeah, you can get them in different size. Like the ends are going to be a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 5. Let's see how much different the 5 actually is. I don't see much difference. So, but anyways, you can get different sizes depending on what your application is you're going to use them for. Excuse me. I have a lot of, I apologize. I have a lot of Lumsing products. I have power banks, all kinds of things like that. You can see more of their products by clicking on their link right here. They make really great phone accessories also. So you might want to check them out for if you don't need HDMI, then click on their link, click on their name there, and check out some of their other products. I'll show you a little bit of a hands-on with the product in the review. It's going to start. Now, this is the box you're going to be getting in, the product in. You got the Lumsing Simply Connected. Little barcode there, probably goes to their website or something. A little product information there. And a lot about the product information there with your features, HDMI to HDMI. Like I said, I got the 2-meter one. Black. But I kind of like how Lumsing packages compared to other people. They do a good job on their packaging, especially when you can't get into it. But everything's going to fit real nice in there. I kind of like that. You can see there's little cutouts for the cables themselves, so everything's nice and secure. Alright, let's get the box out here and get to the good stuff. They have a power user program, so if you want to review for them, why Lumsing, what are the benefits to you, Welcome to the power of Lumsing. So you can check them out. They got email support on there, which they're very nice to talk to as far as if you have any questions. You know, they're very prompt, courteous. This is, like I said, 6'6" cable. These do have plastic on the actual Lumsing name, and what I like is, that's what I like. That's what makes Lumsing a better company than a lot of others. You got little caps protecting your tips. I like that. I like that these are wrapped in plastic also. I'll take them both off and show you just how nice and thin everything is. That's the difference when you're trying to connect to somewhere where you can barely get to. I have a lot of problems with Chromecast being hard to get in. I know Chromecast gives you an extension, but I like these. These are really nice. These are really nice, well put together cables. They got really nice stress points here. You know, where you pull them out, got a good grip there. You can see that they're, you know, you don't have to worry about them starting to crack over time or anything. They're housed in a real nice cable sheath. They come together wrapped. I don't even unwrap mine because I only needed exactly what's out right now. But very nice cables. Got the Lumsing names on them there. I like the fact that they put little caps on to protect them, not only for shipping but even around, you know, if you're not using them for a while or something. It's great that you get a couple caps to put over them. But you got the Lumsing name on there. Like I said, there is plastic on there, and it's actually hard to get off, which I actually do like also. Oh, there's one of them's lifting up. Hold on, I'll take one off for you guys. But there you go. That's how nice and shiny they look when the plastic's all off them. Good job on these gold-plated tips. Like I said, it's HDMI to HDMI. Very thin through here, so you can plug them in nice and easy. Great job on these Lumsing. Guys, run over to Amazon, check them out, pick yourself up some of their products. Great power banks, great phone accessories. I will put a link in the video below to the product, and also one to my website where I will be doing a written review, a little bit of a summary about the product. We have our social media buttons there, so like and follow us, post some comments, questions, whatever you got. Really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you get email alerts whenever we post a new video or have a product giveaway. Everybody loves giveaways. One of those could be coming up very soon also. I keep saying it, but I just haven't had the time to get to it. I really do have a lot of products to give away though. And the way we announce them is through YouTube. So we'll announce what product and how to win it. And if you're not registered to the site, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then you can't get in on it. So go ahead and subscribe. It takes one click of the button. And check us out on techgeeks.com. That's T-E-C-K geeks.com. Thanks to my friends at Lumsing, and I will see you guys on the next